Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Favero Assioma power pedals to your Garmin device. First, make sure your Assioma pedals are fully charged and awake. Then, power on your Garmin and go to the sensor menu. Select Add Sensor and choose Power as the sensor type. Give your cranks a few spins to wake up the pedals, and your Garmin should begin searching for them. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your Garmin detects the pedals, you'll see them listed as a power sensor. It's a good idea to confirm the sensor ID matches your Assioma pedal's serial number for accuracy. After pairing, always perform a zero offset calibration. This crucial step ensures your power readings are precise. You should calibrate before every ride to maintain optimal performance and consistent data throughout your training sessions. It only takes a few seconds. With your pedals connected, you can now customize your data display. Access the sensor details on your Garmin to adjust specific settings. If your Garmin supports it, enable advanced metrics such as cycling dynamics for deeper insights into your pedaling. Be sure to add power, cadence, and balance data fields to your activity screens. You can typically customize up to 10 data fields per screen, allowing for comprehensive analysis during your rides. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Always keep both your Garmin device and Assioma pedals updated with the latest firmware. If connection problems arise, check for low battery on either device. Sometimes, simply removing the sensor and repairing it can resolve persistent issues. During the initial pairing process, ensure your Garmin device is kept close to the pedals for a strong and reliable connection. Happy riding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.